So there I was, just scrolling through Instagram like we all do, when I came across this account that stopped me in my tracks. Imagine this, hundreds of thousands of followers, tens of thousands of likes on every post, and all the content is about one thing: dragons and mythical creatures. I'm talking about stunning AI-generated art of these majestic beasts, the kind of images that make you stop mid-scroll and just stare. Naturally, I had to dig deeper. Accounts like these are absolutely crushing it right now. Take Orhan Art, for example. Over 900,000 followers and growing daily, and they're not alone. Creators like this are also riding this wave of popularity with content centered around dragons, phoenixes, griffins, and other mythical creatures, and get millions of views in less than a year. But here's what really caught my attention. These creators aren't just posting cool art for fun, they're turning this passion into real income streams, collaborations with AI tools like Kling AI, and even selling courses that teach others how to create their own art. But don't just copy, you've got to add your unique twist. For example, instead of a classic medieval dragon, what about a mystical dragon in white color, or a phoenix born out of molten gold? If you're stuck, turn to AI for help. Ask ChatGPT something like, what are some unique mythical creature ideas that could go viral on Instagram? Or give me 5 trending dragon themes for digital art. The AI will give you gold. Pick one idea that excites you and move on to the next step. Step 2, generating the perfect image. For this, we're using Leonardo AI. Hands down one of the best tools out there for creating AI art, and it's free. Here's how you do it. When you log in, you get 150 free credits a day, which is plenty for experimenting. The magic lies in the prompt. Let's say you want to create an epic dragon image. Start by taking a screenshot of a dragon art piece you admire and uploading it into Leonardo AI. Use its Describe with AI tool to generate a detailed description of the image. Now, you've got a solid prompt. To make it unique, copy that prompt into ChatGPT and ask it to modify the description. The AI will refine it and add extra flair to make it stand out. Here's an example of a final prompt. This will create an amazing image of a dragon of our choice in a few seconds. The more detail you add, the better the outcome. After testing it out a little bit and seeing the results, you will get a lot of images. Some of them will look amazing, but some of them will look terrible. So you can also change the prompt a little bit if you are not happy with the result, and you'll have a masterpiece in front of you. Trust me, tweaking and testing out some prompts will make your image look perfect, and that will make your video stand out from all the other images. The last thing to do is to go to the CapCut image upscaler and put the image in it. You can now upscale the image up to 4K resolution for completely free, and that's how we create our images. Step 3, bringing your image to life. Still, images are great, but videos are where the magic happens on Instagram. To animate your dragon, we'll use Runway ML. You get 125 credits on Runway for free, and with that you can create 5 normal videos and 2 longer videos. So if the credits run out, you can always create a new account using another email address, so don't worry about not being able to create those videos for free. To start, upload your image and describe the motion you want, like a dragon soaring through a stormy sky, lightning flashing around it. Fine-tune the settings, and Runway will turn your static image into a dynamic, eye-catching video. Runway also gives you templated settings you can choose from that are getting really good results in your videos. There's just one catch. The free version of Runway adds a watermark, but don't worry. Use a free watermark remover like media.io, upload your video, mark the watermark area, and voila, it's gone. This is just a little secret that you get for free. If you want another method, just wait until we go to the editing part of the video. Then, just to be safe, upload the video into CapCut's AI-powered upscaler. A video created with Runway only gets a lower resolution in the free version of the AI tool. So if you don't want to pay for the upgraded version, just use CapCut Upscaler. This tool can double your video quality for free, making it look even more professional. I mean, who would watch a full video if the video looked like the left one and not the right one? Step 4, maximizing engagement But before I talk about making any money with this, I created a full course about making money on Instagram, teaching you everything that I know and learned in the past 2 years about making money on Instagram. So if you're interested, you can access it through the link in the description. Creating the art is only half the battle. If you want to grow your account and make money, you need to think about engagement. One clever trick: loop your videos to make them longer. Instagram's algorithm favors videos with higher watch time. Use CapCut to copy and paste your video on the timeline to create a seamless loop. While you're at it, add filters, overlays, or text to make your content even more eye-catching. Now let's talk money. These accounts get millions of views every month. That means so companies want to attract those viewers to their company. Companies like Kling AI might even reach out for sponsorships. This way, you could make 1,000 every month just by doing sponsorships, or take it a step further and sell a course teaching others how to create these stunning images. This account does exactly that, and hey, $1,000 every month, and there you have it. Everything you need to start creating and monetizing dragon and mythical creature art. With just a few free tools, some creativity, and the steps I've shown you, you could be well on your way to building a successful Instagram account. Who knows? Your next video might just go viral. If you found this helpful and want to learn even more, check out I walk you through the entire process of building a brand on Instagram, monetizing your content, and taking your creativity to the next level. The link is in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.